Ever notice a difference in surface resistivity when printing ESD parts with or without supports? In this quick demo, we're testing Loctite 3D IND3380 to see how support structures can affect electrical performance. On the left, the parts were printed with supports underneath. On the right, the parts were printed directly on the build platform. Supports don't change the shape of the part, but by lifting it off the build platform, they avoid the extra exposure used in the base layers. This reduces overcuring and results in a lower surface resistivity, keeping it well within the static dissipative range. This part was printed directly on the build platform, then washed, dried, post-cured, thermally cured, and tested for surface resistivity. Same process here, but this time we're reading the part printed with supports. The resistivity reading is lower, which indicates better static dissipation. It's a small adjustment in how you print, but it can make a noticeable difference in ESD performance.